Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by sorting fabric and selecting the correct dye because chemistry matters. Once sorted, prepare your workspace with gloves, a well-ventilated area, and a clean stainless pot or plastic bucket. Measure dye and auxiliaries. Follow package ratios like 1/2:1 TSB per 100 G fabric. Add salt for cotton or soda ash for silk. Heat water to the recommended temperature. This activates dye uptake. Move quickly now so the fabric doesn't dry before the next step. You'll pre-wet the garment so the dye penetrates evenly. Squeeze out excess but keep it saturated. Once your dye bath is at the target temperature, submerge the fabric and stir continuously to avoid streaks. Use a long utensil and gentle motions. Keep the bath between recommended temperatures. More time deepens color, but overcooking can weaken fibers. When the time's up, remove fabric and rinse under warm then cooler water until runoff is clear. This prevents future bleeding and sets expectations for fastness. You finish by applying a fixative or a vinegar rinse for acid dyes. This locks color and reduces bleeding. Then gently wring and dry flat or hang away from direct sun to prevent fading. Make sure to launder separately for the first 3 washes. If you see uneven patches, act fast. Re-dye the whole piece or spot treat the lighter areas with a concentrated dye mix. This evens tone. If bleeding occurs later, wash with cold water and color catcher sheets as a last resort fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.